You are involved in something big, a shift into an entirely new age, a new era, the ICT revolution. The computer age has made way for the information age. In this age, if you are not informed, then you are deformed and cannot perform. There are 2.7 billion internet users worldwide. This represents 39% of the population. According to Wikipedia, Nigeria is ranked number 8 on the World Internet Penetration List, with about 55 million internet users, about 33% of the population. 55 million people. This is more than the population of Lagos, Kano, Ibadan, Kaduna, Port Harcourt, and Benin combined together. This means there are more internet users in Nigeria than in countries like the United Kingdom, France, Mexico, South Korea, Indonesia, Philippines, Egypt, and South Africa. More and more individuals and business owners are coming to realize that even though they may be making big profits from their business, they are still leaving money on the table if they don't have an online presence. Many companies are going online, and they have budgeted millions for this, and are seriously looking for competent web consultants to help them move their business online. This is where you come in. Position yourself, help them, and make millions. To position yourself as a web consultant and make millions, you need to acquire skills in web design, app development, and digital marketing. Statistics and experience has revealed that web development consulting is the easiest and most guaranteed internet business model, with millions of contracts worth billions of naira online and offline, waiting to be awarded to competent web consultants. 1. You will learn step-by-step how to build church websites with live streaming, hotel websites with online reservation, e-commerce websites like Jumia, Konga with shopping carts and online payments. Nigeria has gone cashless, and e-commerce for personal use or consulting is an untapped gold mine. Social networking websites, corporate websites with slides, security, etc. Sales pages and squeeze pages. Membership sites with login and access restriction. In part 2 of the course, you will learn how to build Android apps from scratch without coding. You will be shown step-by-step how to build different Android apps. Did you know there are more than 1.5 billion smartphones in the world, i.e., one smartphone for every 5 people? 80% of smartphones are Android devices. Compare this figure to 400,000 tablets and 1.3 million PCs in the world. This means that there are more smartphone users than computer users. Smartphones have become the accessibility device of choice. Individuals and companies are paying millions for app development. You will earn $500 to $10,000 per app you develop. You will also have access to bonuses worth millions of naira, plus 3 months of mentorship and support, where you will be given tools, alliance, training, and the motivation required. For this course, no previous knowledge is required, and the entire process has been made ridiculously simple. So simple that even your 9-year-old cousin could understand.